a contractor, the best part is the 1.5-inch nailing strip.
The sweet spot that they call it, it's great for the installers.
Up until they came out with the 1.5 inch, there's 5/8 primarily all the way through. And I mean, a nail, whenever it penetrates, is eating a 1/2 inch. So to say you nail every time in the bond line it's almost impossible.
My guys are really fast with nail guns, and I can't sit there and hold their hands every minute, so I have to trust that they're hitting that spot that's going to protect the warranty for myself and for the customer.
You know, it just gives us a lot more grace, you know, to hit that double thickness.
You catch that secondary shingle every time.
I mean, that makes a big difference. I mean, you go from there to there, that's huge.
You got the wider nailing area, you got less shingles because you got the 6-inch exposure. You're gonna have no blow-offs.
When we came back to Florida to work, it wasn't even a question of what we were gonna use. We were definitely gonna use the Atlas Pinnacle.
The qualities that Atlas has is just a perfect fit for that state.
I have put Atlas Pinnacle at the beach one day prior to a storm and lost no shingles.
Texas has just had a hurricane last year, and we had several apartment complexes that we had done in Houston, and we had 0 blow-offs.
Then Irma come around. I had 2 more at the beach. Didn't lose any shingles.
We had 50+ roofing systems that made it through the hurricane.
Other roofs in the neighborhood were destroyed, sucked off. It looked like they were peeled like a banana. So we were very impressed with the HP 42. It completely held up.
To me, it's a peace of mind knowing that, you know, I have a company that's gonna stand behind their product. I don't need them to tell me that. The proof is from the hurricanes.